Hi lovely viewers, welcome to your own channel EasySaminJewelery. I'm here with an elegant earrings project tutorial. We have started with 4 seed beads. These are seed beads earrings we are making today, with embellished with Montees. Very elegant, super easy tutorial, not so difficult, very easy and quick to make. We have made double knot and we have started with 4 seed bead, golden seed bead 11. Now we are adding white seed beads 11. We are adding white seed beads, passing through seed bead, golden seed beads. We have to add 4 white seed beads here. Now after adding these beads, we will step ahead to next step. We have to add 3 seed beads, golden seed beads 11. We pass through white seed bead of previous round. We will add 3 seed bead each time. Total 4 times we will add these golden seed beads between white seed beads of previous round. Very easy project and it is very quick to make. So don't miss it to watch, don't miss it to make. Now this round is completed. Now we will start next step, next round. We have to add here 1 drop bead, 4 mm drop bead. This is hanging bead. We have added it with 3 beads, golden seed bead in the start and in the end. 3 seed beads, golden seed beads. We have added it. This is the lower part of our earring. Now we have to embellish this beaded part with Montee. We have picked 1 silver Montee 3 mm and we are adding it in the middle of this beaded part. In the middle of beaded part, passing through golden seed bead, we have added it. Now we will pass needle through the Montee's holes of opposite side. We have total 4 holes behind on back side of Montee. First we pass through 2 holes and then we pass through 2 other holes, and in this way we added it. Now we have to start next step. We are adding here 3 golden seed beads, passing through previous golden seed bead. We added 3 beads and now we will again add 3 golden seed beads here 11, passing through the previous golden seed bead. Now here we have to add white seed beads each time, 1 seed bead. Total we will add 4 times. 4 times we will add these white seed beads, passing through golden seed beads. And I'm sure you will learn it easily. You can make it easily. Even beginners can make it easily. So we are adding 4th time white seed bead, passing through golden seed bead. Now one box is ready of seed beads. We have to embellish it with Montee, silver Montee 3 mm will be added here. So now we are adding one silver Montee in middle of these golden seed beads, little box of seed beads, golden beads. Here we are adding, first we pass through 2 holes of Montee, and after passing through seed beads we added it, and now we pass through the other sides 2 holes of Montee. We have to make it secure. We are passing through white seed bead, and in this way we have added silver Montee 3 mm. Now we have to add here, passing through white bead, we have added 3 seed beads golden 11, and here again we will add 3 seed beads golden, passing through white seed bead. Golden seed beads are added here, and now again we have to add here 3 seed beads golden, passing through white seed bead. 3 seed beads 11 golden are added here. Now in this way we have completed one more box, beaded box with embellished with Montee. Now here we have to add ear wire, golden ear wire we have picked for this project. We have to add it with 1 seed bead golden, 1 seed bead white, 1 ear wire, and 1 seed bead white and 1 seed bead golden. In this way we have to add it. Now we have to reinforce, make it secure. We are passing our thread to reinforce this ear wire and beads. After this we have to add one more Montee in this little box of seed beads which is under ear wire. So we are adding one more Montee, silver Montee here, passing through seed beads. We have added it. Now the opposite side holes we passed our thread, and now we will reinforce it, and we have to pass through these all beads and holes again our thread, and now make it secure. Now we have to make some finishing knots on our earrings back side. Keep it in mind, we have to make knots on back side. We are making finishing knots 2 or 3 times. We will make these knots to make our work secure, and then we will cut the extra thread, trim the extra thread, and now it's ready. Very easy project, very smart, elegant earrings are ready. Not very heavy, light for those viewers who like light jewelry. These are very lightweight but very elegant, with Montees with seed beads and with drop bead. We have selected drop beads color, purple color, which is looking gorgeous with these golden and silver combinations. So I hope you would like the color combinations. These are the final looks of our today's project, our beaded seed beads, beaded earrings, Montee, embellished with Montee. I hope you would like it. You can make with your own choice colors. Very easy pattern, and I will remind you, don't forget to subscribe your channel, make it successful with your subscriptions, encourage me with your subscriptions. I make all my projects with love for my lovely viewers and love for my jewelry passion. It's my passion. So don't forget to subscribe your channel, like, share and comment. And here are the videos and pics I make of my project. So don't miss these videos, don't skip these videos, watch it, and I will say bye now. Take yourself, lots of love, Allah Hafiz, and bye bye.